Plastic is a single word for a wide variety of polymers and additives with different chemical and physical properties. The end product range from single-use plastic bag, food wrap, and plastic bottle to fishing lines and synthetic fibers. But the problem with plastic is that most of it isn't biodegradable. It doesn't rot like paper or food, so instead it can hang around in the environment for hundreds of years. Here, 400 million tons of plastic is produced, and 40% of that is single-use plastic, which is we only use it once, and considered a major threat to both wildlife and human well-being. Plastic pollution is now all over the world, causing environmental crisis. Measuring or forecasting this issue is a complex and challenging task due to technical limitation and uncoordinated assessment campaign. In this video, we will discuss about how to manage plastic waste effectively to help elevate people's mindset in treating plastic waste.
Awareness is divided for the three parts, which is self-awareness, social awareness, and organization awareness. So, for the self-awareness, that is we motivate ourselves to stop the plastic pollution. For example, we stop using plastic straw, we change to use stainless steel. So, for the social awareness, it's more to the public awareness, like we do the campaign for the plastic pollution to make, to educate the public, to educate the people about the plastic pollution. So, the third is organizational awareness, which is some organization which is under the government or non-government, which is responsible to stop or reduce the plastic pollution. For example, in California, Ocean Protection Council. In Malaysia, there's two, which is Zero Waste Malaysia and Greenpeace Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
One of the objectives of this video is to educate or reuse, repurpose, recycle, and reinvent of used plastics. So I'm going to explain about reuse and repurpose of used plastics. First of all, I would like to explain about reuse. Definition of reuse is to use again in different way or after reclaiming or reprocessing. How to use plastic items in your home? We can reuse plastic items instead of throwing away them. There are many ways to reuse some of the plastic items in our home, such as we can use the old mineral water bottles to water plants. Don't throw away the mineral bottles, but we can reuse them in a creative way. Keep the plastic grocery bags and reuse them as garbage bags. Plastic grocery bags are the suitable size to line small trash cans in the living room and bedroom. Next, I'm going to explain about repurpose of used plastics. What is the meaning of repurpose? Repurpose is to alter to make it more suited for a different purpose. First, DIY gift bulbs. We can use plastic bags to make DIY gift bulbs. Second, plastic bag basket. We could save a whopping plastic bags from ending up in the landfill.
The next solution is recycle. Recycle is the process of turning waste into new materials or objects. So, for example, we can recycle plastic bottles to make clothes. So, as you can see in this picture, is the famous Malaysian designer, which is Hatta Rahman. He even got a recognition from Malaysia Book of Record because he is the first designer with sustainable fashion collection.
Kita dapat data untuk satu botol plastik terbuai di lautan memakan masa hingga 450 tahun. Jadi bayangkanlah yang lama lampak dan jadi di lautan kan. Jadi apa yang dah pernah buat untuk yang lepas kita dah berjaya menggunakan lebih kurang 500 plastik botol untuk keseluruhan lagi.
The last solution is reinvent. Reinvent is the process to invent better solution as alternative to preserve ecosystem. Okay, for example, the invention of nanocomposite as biodegradable food packaging. The advantage of nanocomposite is that it takes less than 180 days to decompose, which is better than plastic that take up to 450 years to decompose. These are the inventions we have seen, which is the usage of plastic bag are changed to paper bag, and the usage of plastic straw are changed to metal straw, which is reusable.
Conclusion of this video is there is no simple solution to this complex and global issue. Policymakers and industry are currently taking decisions in a situation of high uncertainties. Despite all the urgency of action, it should not be forgotten that common sense solutions rely on the avoidance of littering or single-use plastic usage, and such solutions need to be activated immediately. In addition, 3R strategy, reduce, reuse, and recycle strategies will be beneficial through the public awareness. These are small-scale actions yet achievable and would contribute to erase our plastic footprint from the environment. That's all from us. Thank you.